Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. I hope that you're hale and hearty and you have performed well in your weekly test. Here is a video that will guide you towards the solutions. Now, let us get started. The SLOs are mentioned. I hope that you found no problem in solving these because all these questions they are extracted from your lessons and the lessons or the lectures that we have attended. All right, let's get started with the first one. The correct option is option A, like, because we know that with pronouns other than he, she, or it, we use singular form. So here, likes will be incorrect. Do you likes? No. The correct option is like, because we are referring to the pronoun do. Next, he does not want to go to the ceremony because we use does with he, she, and it pronouns. Next up, identify the tense. The correct tense is present perfect continuous because it is having have, been, and also the ing form with the verb, and that makes it a present perfect continuous tense. The weather gets very cold in Multan during winter. This is actually an assertive statement. It's a fact presented in the present tense. So we need to use the option D, gets, not get, because we are talking about one singular thing, the weather. So now we need to add that singular verb with the addition of s in order to follow the pattern. Next up, do not forget to take your umbrella. It is raining outside. We are saying that you must take your umbrella, do not forget it. Why? Because currently it is raining outside. So this part is a present continuous because it is still raining. The rain is in the process. Next up, I was ill, so I didn't go to work. Yes, this is the cause and this is the reason. This is the result, the effect. So I was ill, so I didn't go to work. So this is the correct coordinating conjunction that we should use over here. Number 7 is you should get your visa renewed at once or pay a fine. So we have a choice that if we don't do this part, then we have to pay the fine. So the correct one is or. I am very tired. What is the reason of being tired? For the reason we use the conjunction because. I have been working all day, and this is your subordinating conjunction. Next up, a conjunction that links a dependent clause to an independent clause. We know we are talking about subordinating conjunction because it works with the subordinating clause or dependent clause. Next up, I cannot come to see you until tomorrow. Not unless, not till, because we are specifying a time in the future. So until tomorrow, that will be the correct answer. Number 11 is I wanted to go, but I was too tired. I wanted to go, I was too tired. It means that the speaker did not go. So the correct conjunction is but, and it is the most common one as well. This is a coordinating conjunction. You should wait here for how long? Till I return. You should wait here till I return. Faizan made fundamental improvements in the domestic mail system while he established regular foreign deliveries. The capitalized word over here is while, and we know this is a subordinating conjunction. So while, until, till, because, these are all your subordinating conjunction. Now we need to use the correct correlative conjunction over here. Either you can wear sandals or sneakers. So you have choice between these two, and that is indicated by the correlative conjunction either or. So you have two choices. Either you wear sandals or sneakers for that. Number 15 is I love to eat. Yes, I love to eat veggies. My sister prefers junk food. So vegetables are opposite and on the contrary to junk food, to unhealthy food. So for contrary, we use the coordinating conjunction but. Number 16 is what is the connotative meaning of the word blue in the phrase feeling blue? Connotative meaning means the cultural meaning, the contextual meaning, emotional or societal meaning. So if we say I'm feeling blue, that does not literally mean the color blue, but rather it means feeling sick or feeling sad. The test was a piece of cake for him. Here, piece of cake. Do you think that this is called connotative or denotative definition? Now, piece of cake over here is connotative, which means something that is very easy. So that is called piece of cake, and it is related to connotative meaning, because if you take the denotative meaning, piece of cake mean the literal, materialistic, the concrete noun piece of cake, but we are not referring to that. We are referring to the test. The test was a piece of cake for him. Number 18, what is the denotative meaning of the phrase kick the bucket? Denotative mean literal meaning. So kick the bucket literally means actually kicking the bucket. But figuratively, if you see it in a connotative meaning, connotation is dying. But we are asked denotative meaning, so A is the right option. What is the denotative meaning of the word bright? The dictionary meaning, the literal meaning is shiny. Something is bright, that is shiny, that is made up of light. And lastly, what is the denotation meaning of the word hot? Hot is, we are asked about the literal meaning, then that is the word warm. And for the question number 2, we have to write a narrative, a time I helped somebody or someone. So here is the solution. We have first one, there is the limit of 300 words, and secondly, the other answer is, can we move up? Yes, and this one, this answer contains 100 words. So you can see the difference. Since we are asked to write only for 100 words, then we should always limit ourselves to 100 words, and if not, then you can write as much as you can. So now in this answer of the narrative passage, you can see that the first person narrative is used, and also everything is told in a very organized and logical order, and the series of events are in a logical order, and that's how you should write your narrative essays. Now you can read and you can match your answers with that and learn from it. Take care of yourselves. Allah.